Hey guys, so the title of this video is a bit facetious really, because I've just started using Canva for logos and thumbnails. I've just made 2 thumbnails for my YouTube video. Make $1,000 a month narrating books like a boss. Now I'm not happy with I've put them on my videos, but I'm not totally happy because I'd rather be sort of a bit brighter in that, but I haven't got that far yet. But I'll show you how I did this, and you could at least get started by going to Canva and creating these for free. Okay, it's a pretty basic process. So I'll go to File, go to Create New Design. You want thumbnail, but look at all the stuff you can put. YouTube thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so put that, if you're after a thumbnail, stick that in the search. Now, what did I do here? What did I do here? Food, music, travel, all results. Somehow I got some free folders. I should have, no, some free photos. Free photos. Let's have a look. Go look for free photos. Okay. First problem. Let's have a look in folders. Okay, nothing in folders. Resize file, home, upgrade, elements, file. Okay. So as you can see, hold on, let's have a look at this more. Embed, use your Facebook photos, use Instagram, Dropbox, embed, emoji. What else have we got? Canva for work, bundle, animation, organization, fonts, resize, images, unlock access to maybe that was it. Images. Images Pro. Try it for 30 days. Well, no. Mate. So where we got these photos from, I have no idea. Sorry about this, guys. Hide that. Was it in Elements? Photos. Okay, guys, so you go to Elements, okay? Because I use these photos. There's free photos you can use for your thumbnail, okay? Heaps of them. So it is pretty good. I mean, I'm using the free version of Canva, okay? See that lion there? Okay. Now this is the very basic version. Let's create another one and then I'll use it for one of my videos. Let's try this one. What I'm going to do, because I want to do one for affiliate marketing. Now what first thing you do is you stretch this picture out to the edges. As much as possible. I think that's about it. Is that about it? Oops. We want to bring it down a bit. Maybe that is. Maybe that's the. Anyway. Now once you've done that, then you go to. We want to add text. Add a heading. See? Text heading. So you got your picture. You put it in here as much as possible. And then you come to text and you do add a heading. Now see here, it's in the middle, so don't worry about that it's in the middle, because you can drag it around later. So, but what you want to do, see how it's got add a heading here? You want to click on there, click in there, get in there, and you want to delete this, because if you don't delete this, that will stay in your title. Add a heading that will stay in your title. Okay, so my title will be affiliate marketing for beginners. Affiliate marketing for beginners. Okay, guys. Now, see here, once again, we can drag this over here, and we don't want to make it that big. Okay, that's about it. And then I want to put maybe a bit smaller. Affiliate marketing for beginners. I want to put a subtitle. This is, I'm going to have a Like a Boss series. Add it. So once again, you put the mouse into there, and you backspace to get rid of that. And then I put Like a Boss. Okay, and then we want to make those words bigger. So you come up here, go down to 42, Like a Boss. Drag it down a bit. I want to drag it down a bit. Okay, probably about there. Can we go back into here? Okay, yes, we can go in there because I want to put those, what do you call them, semicolons? Like a Boss. Right, now, if we can get back in here, we want to make that wording bold. Yep. What about if we did italics? How does that look? Like a Boss. Yeah. Now, see if what other colors would be cool. Yeah, what do you think about that? Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing for beginners, Like a Boss. We don't want blue, obviously. I think the black on the blue there is good. Red. Yeah, can't really see it so good. No. Oh yes, that might be orange. We might go with orange there, guys. Okay, now once you got that, then all you do is, save. Yeah, you go into File, Save. It's automatically saved. Then download. And you're pretty much done. And that's it. That's Canva for beginners. But that's how to create a thumbnail. Go over it again. This is very basic. This is the third thumbnail that I've actually made in Canva. So, this is really for beginning of Canva users. But Canva is awesome if you want some free thumbnails, rather than, you get your, once again, to get those free photos, you go into Elements, okay? Elements. I think that's quite good for, like, I'd say a couple of minutes of work. So I'm going to download that PNG, which is usually good. Hit download, and very soon I'll make an affiliate marketing for beginners video. And there you can also try the advanced version of Canva for 30 days. I don't know, I haven't even looked into what the cost of Canva is. It's a pretty awesome thing. Magically resize your designs, create stunning animated designs, collaborate with shared templates and folders, export designs with transport bankroutes. For the time being, I'm happy with the free one, but now, I've just thought, guys, I might get in touch with Canva and see if they've got an affiliate link, and, use Canva now that I've made a thumbnail for it. Get an affiliate link, see if they've got affiliate links, and put that, what more appropriate one could you have for affiliate marketers for beginners like a boss. So there you go, guys. I hope you liked it. Anybody out there that's thinking of making a YouTube channel and etc, get into it. All my subscribers, thank you very much. Any new subscribers, appreciate, really. You probably don't know how much I would appreciate it. In the future I hope to have like giveaways and all that, but at this stage I'm not even up to 1,000 subs. So guys, I'd really appreciate it if you can subscribe. I've got a variety. Some of my business ones I put on my main channel, but yeah, I think I'm not going to put all my business ones, making money online ones on my main channel, because I think a lot of my subs that joined up with me on my main channel, I don't know if they're interested in that. So, I'll put the odd one or two up, like I'll probably put the affiliate marketing one up on my main channel. But you want to go and have a look at my other channel. This will be going up on my main sort of making money online, creating sort of financial freedom channel, which is called Rags to Riches. If you want to go and have a look at this, I'll be putting this video up on Rags to Riches. So guys, if this was helpful at all, now remember, every website that you learn something new, like this Canva, or like my son's learning how to, at the university, he's learning how to use Maya. So Maya's probably got a website there. Everything you learn about and you use, you want to see if they've got an affiliate link, so you can tell about your experience with using whatever you're using, whoever you're like, for instance, TubeBuddy. Say you're using TubeBuddy, or GetResponse, any even Amazon, if you want to, like I'm into things like Shungite and things to keep you healthy, like Shungite and earthing. So I've got affiliate programs for those, affiliate links for those, because why not? That's stuff you're interested in, so why not get affiliate links, and other people that are interested in that stuff will hopefully click on your links, and you might get some money. So, get into affiliate links too, guys. And why not, do a couple of things at the same time. Get some money from your affiliate links and teach people too. So you're teaching people how to make some money from affiliate links, and you're teaching people how to, for instance, with this one, use Canva for beginners. Okay, thanks. And I'd really appreciate it, new people, if you can subscribe.